and my pinch waist jeans. So I just filled my vitamin container, and how many gummies is too many gummies? I'm running out of room here, but this is what I'm currently taking. I've already talked about this before, but just to mention it again. I was recently sent these. Drunk Elephant was kind enough to send me this in a PR package, so I'm trying these out. They're by Hum, and they're called the Glow Sweet Glow. They have hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E, and they're vegan. So yeah, I take 2 of each. So that's 8 gummies a day. Jesus. It is Thursday, February 21st. Today's actually Roger's birthday, but he's working, so I'm just getting things ready because tomorrow we're gonna throw him a little party and like a cake cutting thing. So yeah, I was finishing up some close-ups for a video. I just finished eating and I'm gonna go pick up his last minute birthday present. I already got him something, but I decided to get him something else, so I'm gonna go pick that up today. My lens is dirty. What else is new? I'm just wearing an old Reformation top. It's from summer of last year, and my pinch waist jeans by a Goldie, and my beloved Ked sneakers. And for my necklace, Mejuri's new pearl collection necklace, and I am obsessed. I think that pearls are gonna be huge for the summer this year, spring and summer, and I'm so excited to start wearing them. I just got to my mom's house, and this is how you know your parents are getting old. He just fell asleep on the floor outside. And my mom's over there on the couch sleeping too. Today's Roger's party or cake cutting, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Let me show you guys my outfit really quick. I'm wearing the same top I was wearing yesterday from Reformation. These pants are by Everlane, and my shoes are just slides, tan slides that I got from Princess Polly. I don't remember the name of the brand right now. And my necklace is the same one I was wearing yesterday by Mejuri, just like their new pearl collection. Earrings are just some lucite earrings by Etsy, and that is it. Let me show you guys a little decoration outside. 30 going on 3. And the 3 is always backwards.
I sat down.
I'm supporting you. I promise.
We're getting ready to cut the cake for Roger.
I'm here.
Happy birthday, brother. We love you.
Here you go, Night.
I wasn't expecting these
Wait, I
fans
understand why you're recording.
for my vlog. What you drinking?
Watermelon. Oh, it's for your blog? Well,
Is that a cake?
so, I'm single.
I'm on my way to the gym. I feel like I haven't done a car vlog in a very long time, so I just wanted to pop in here and say good morning. And also, I can't remember the last time I washed my hair, and you guys just have to take me for who I am, you know? I also have an oil mask on my hair, and to the gym like this, but it's fine. People will just think I'm sweating or something. On the agenda today, after I get out of the gym, I'm gonna eat. I've been going to the gym fasted, by the way, and I feel like when I'm really like trying to like get my body back into shape or whatever, I think what works best for me is, sorry, this road is so freaking bumpy. I think what works best for me is just working out fasted, getting my workout done in the morning, and then worrying about eating later on in the day. Obviously, I get all of my calories in throughout the day. I'm not starving myself, but working out fasted, I'm more like clear-minded and I have more energy and stuff. So yeah, I actually didn't know that they opened a Reformation in Miami. Of course, it's like half an hour away from where I live, but it's fine. I'm gonna try to go today because I have to find a dress for a wedding that I'm going to in April in Mexico, and also because I want to do a little bit of spring shopping. So I'm gonna go check it out today, and I'm probably gonna make a day out of it with Roger because it is a little far. So that is all for right now. My camera's dying, so also I have like a bunch of people staring at me. That's why I'm holding my phone pretending I'm talking to my phone. My birthday month, favorite month of the year. Aside from the fact that it's my birthday month, I really do love like the very beginning of spring, like changing from fall and winter to spring. Not that the weather changes much in Miami, but I don't know, I just like the feeling of it until it starts getting unbearably hot. So I enjoy it for a little bit. And I can't remember where I last left off. I think it was at the beach. I went with Josie. I didn't film much of it because I don't know, I just like when I spend time with people, especially if it's like one-on-one, I don't really like to be filming the whole time. Like I just like to separate vlogging from spending quality time with people and just doing things, you know, living like in the moment. I feel like a lot of these vloggers, they just film every little thing, and yes, it makes for good content, but when are they actually like enjoying their time, you know, and like spending time with the people that they're with, you know? Like, I know I record at parties and stuff, but I usually just put my camera down and like have it record while I'm there. But I don't know, whatever. Today's agenda consists of getting home and eating because I'm dying, and then I'm gonna just edit like the whole day because I really want to get all of the backed up vlogs out already so that I can start posting vlogs regularly again. I hate posting vlogs like a month after I film them because I feel like such a long time has passed. So yeah, I just have to get those out of the way. So that is my Monday, but if I have anything else to vlog, I will pick up my camera and I will see you later. This banana wasn't ready, but really need it for my shake. Lighting is just not doing it for me. That's a little better. My favorite thing to do is just eat my vitamins in the morning. It takes me like 10 minutes because I have like 8 different gummies, but best part of the morning. And then coffee.
Don't take it.
Oh, man. Those are squirrels, but they're crosswalkers. They're like crosswalkers for squirrels. Like when squirrels come, they help them cross the street.
Oh my god.
You're just not wearing your vests.
How many women does it take to light up a freaking cake? Oh my god. Okay.